between her, Juki, and the local basketball court, the wall made by society. So this wall was made by the society for a girl who washes utensils for a living. So this Afsana, what she was doing, she was washing the vessels. Okay, then she was interested. Then they made a wall for her to jump. Okay, the gardener, the gender wall her mother had put up for her. So the gender wall her mother, what she had put up for her. Today Afsana herself has become a strong wall of NBA, the Nagapada Basketball Association of Mumbai. So NBA, the meaning of NBA is the Nagapada Basketball Association of Mumbai. Today she is the source of strength for 5 other girls who have become the basketball. But she is the source. That is Afsana. She is the source of the other 5 girls who joined the basketball team, leaving behind the problems. So even they were having the many problems in their home. Today she is the star of a young team. This team has managed to surprise some of Mumbai's club teams. So today she is the star. She became a star in that team that is in Mumbai, and she was managed and they were surprised. Then she was where it was a Mumbai club teams. With a lot of guts and courage, the team has reached the semi-finals of a district level tournament. So even she played in district levels also. District levels tournament in semi-finals and all. She won the prizes. Then come to page number 155. That is meet this special team. So meet this special team. Next one. Meet this special team. That is the third point. Here is the third point. Meet Afsana, Zareen, Kushnur and Afreen. At first the girls were quiet, but once they started, they just did not stop. So here the names of the team girls' names are Meet, Afsana, Zareen, Kushnur and Afreen. So what they did, once they started playing, they didn't stop that. Okay, they continued. Zareen began, my house is just in front of this ground. So Zareen she began to say that my house is just in front of this ground. Here can you see the ground? Here can you see the ground? So in front of this ground only that Zareen's house was there. So my brother used to play here. I would stand in my balcony and watch the boys playing. So what she would do, her brother was playing in the ground. So what she was watching from the balcony. She was watching from the balcony that the boys playing. I was in class 7th at that time. So in which class she was in 7th standard. Whenever the boys played a match, many people came to watch. Okay. So whenever the boys were playing in the ground, many people were crowding. Many people went to see that match. The winning team got lot of prize. So she saw from there only that the winning team. So if you will play in schools games and all, you will get the prizes, isn't it? Like that only the winning team got the prizes. On seeing all this, I wished could also play. Would I too get a chance to see my talent, to show my talent? That time she thinks that of seeing that such prizes and all, she thought that even why I can't play, why I can't show my talent. Okay. Then asked the coach, but was afraid. He is good friend of my father. The coach said, why not? If you bring some more girls, you can make a team. Then I will teach you. So when she said, he said that okay, it's okay, of course you can come, but you want some girls with you. Okay, then come to page number 156. We asked what is easy to make a beginning here. What is easy to make a beginning? What is the easy thing for starting? That is beginning. Then Kushnu. At first my parents refused, but when I insisted, they agreed. So here the girl is Kushnu. What she did? But her parents did not allow her, but she requested them. Okay. Then they agreed. Afsana. My mother works in the flats and sends us to school. I also help her when I told her about my plans to play basketball. Ammi not agreed. So what happened? Afsana's mother, she was working in the flats. Even Afsana was also helping her in the housework. So when Afsana, she said to her mother about this team, so her mother did not agree. She said, girls do not play basketball. Do your work, go to school and study hard. She said that girls should not play. What is your work? You should go to school. Okay, that much only. Don't and study hard. But don't play all these kind of things. No need to go to the ground to play. She is saying that you don't need to go to the ground like boys. But when my friends and coach sir talked to her, Ammi agreed. So what happened? When coach sir and her coach sir talked to her mother that is Ammi, then she agreed. Then Afreen, next is Afreen. We were not allowed because we are girls. She is saying that we are the girls, so our parents did not allow us. My grandmother gets very angry with all of us, but still we three sisters come here to play. So she is saying that our grandmother did not allow us to play, but we three sisters, we went to the ground to play. Grandmother scolds us and even scolds our coach sir also. She tells us you need proper equipment to play. She is saying that you don't have any proper equipment to play there. You don't have any rights to play there. Even she was scolding the coach sir also. You need to have a lot of milk for strength. Where will the money for all this come from? She will say that you of being a coach, of playing such things, then you have to drink much lot of milk. For drinking milk, where you get the money? From where do you get the money? She will ask. Who? Grandmother. But daddy understands her feelings. He even teaches some special moves used in the game. She is saying that even her father, he will understand her problem. And then he took special moves he's used to in the game. My daddy also used to play on this ground when he was young. So even that is Afreen's father also was used to play in that ground. He did not have proper shoes or clothes. He used to practice with the plastic ball. So what happened? Afreen's father, he was playing in the ground, but he don't have any proper clothes also, shoes also, but he would play with the plastic ball. Daddy tells us that Bachchu Khan was a coach when he used to play. So he says to his daughter that when I was there, when I was playing, that Bachchu Khan was the coach that time. He saw my daddy playing once. He realized that the boy played very well and that he should be trained properly. He realized that he thought that he played very well, but what he should play still more well, and the coach trained him. That who is that coach? That is Bachchu Khan. He gave proper shoes and clothes to my daddy. So this coach, what he did? He gave for Afreen's father proper clothes, okay, shoes and proper clothes. My daddy could have come a very good player, but because of his responsibilities at home, so she is saying that my father also could be a good player, but he has play. He wants to play her daughter and become a good players. Then come to page number 157. Tell us about your team. See, tell us about your team. Next point. One girl. We felt a bit here. Next girl children. Well, felt a bit strange. In the beginning, we were the first team here. People used to come and watch us practicing. They were they were curious to see how girls would play basketball. So here one girl is saying that even I joined the team, but she felt something like strange. But then afterwards she was adjusted in that team. Then people also would go and see the game, and the people also were very curious to see how girls are playing the basketball. How people no longer surprised. They have begun to accept that we girls can also play well. So after seeing these girls playing the basketball, the people also agreed that yes, these girls can play the basketball. Next, Afsana. I was 11 years old when we first started playing. At that time, we were not allowed to go anywhere else to play a match. So here Afsana is saying that in our home, in our home, they were not allowing to play them, to go to other places. But first started playing at that time, were not allowed, she said. It has been 2 years since then. Now we go to other places also for matches. Then afterwards, after playing, after 2 years, then they started to go to play in the other places also for matches. But all this could happen only because of hard work and sir's coaching. So she is saying that this is the hard work of our sir's coaching only. Okay. Then next another girl. Then next girl. What she saying? Yes, we really work hard. Sir is also very strict. We first together and then do our exercises. So even the next girl also she is saying that yes, sir is very strict to us. Okay, for that sake only we can do all these things. We can do good exercises also. Sir teaches us how to play a game well. So the sir gave the coach how to play the game well. We practiced how to keep the ball with us. So they practice first how to keep the ball with them first with them. To the players of the other team how to throw the ball in the basket. So how to throw the ball in the basket. Okay, the sir taught them. Even you all will play basketball, no children, you all are interested. To score a goal, to pass the ball well and run fast and on court. So here the children are playing, see, like you all only, the basketball, isn't it? How they play. Then next, Afrina, Sir says, see. Sir says, when playing, don't think you are girls. Play like a player. See what Sir said. It seems Afrina is saying that Sir says that you don't think that you are a girl while playing. Okay. Then play like a player. So you should play like a player. Keep playing even if you get a little injured also. See if you get injured also, you don't let it. But you have to continue the play. Okay. We support each other and say, come on, get up, you will be fine. So, if anyone gets hurt, they will say that, come on, well, you get up. Okay, they were supporting them. Everyone says that we play as well as the boys team. So, the girls feel happy that all the people who came to watch, they were saying that you will play better than the boys. Then, come to page number 158. That is, see, one girl. We also play with boys teams. We want them to play with us as equals. So, they want to play with the boys teams also. But what happened? They want to play with the boys teams also. here when you play, if you fight with the boys and you will scold them. Okay, here also same. If the boys try to cheat, they'll get angry and they'll correct their mistakes. And what they were doing, they would scold the boys. Then next, tell us about your team. Okay, tell us about your team here. Fifth point. One girl. Our team is very special. Our team is united. Even if we quarrel, we quickly make up and forget about it. So this is a special in the game, children. Even you all also, if you fight with your friends in the game, what you should do? You should forget it. Again, you should have the unity. Okay. Then even these girls were also same like that. If they quarrel in the game also, they would quickly forget that and they would mingle. Here we have learned how to stay and play together. So the girls what they saying that one girl she's saying that yes, how we in this team we learn all these things. Okay, how to stay and play together. Some of the girls from our team got a chance to play as part of the Mumbai team. The match was at Solapur. So some girls in their team were selected. That is the place that they played is Mumbai team. That match was at Solapur. Then Zareen. When we went to Solapur, we found that the team had girls from different parts of the state. So Zareen what she saying, when they went to Solapur, there the different types of different places and different parts of the state also the girls came to play there. They did not talk to us nicely. See here, they did not talk to them nicely and treated us like juniors. So these they went first, no? So they treated like juniors. They did not even give us a chance to play properly. So that these the other girls, they did not give them chance to play properly. Where in Solapur, there was no cooperation at all in the team. So they didn't cooperate. The other state girls they came, no, they didn't cooperate with them. During the match, I threw the ball to one of the team members, but she could not catch it. It turned. She started scolding me, blaming me for the mistake. So here she is saying that during the match, she threw the ball. She threw the ball to one of the team members. Okay, one of the team members. Then what happened? She could not catch. That girl, she could not catch. So what happened is that girl, she started scolding herself. Scolding and blaming that is of your mistake only. In all this misunderstanding, we lost the match. So, in all this misunderstanding, they lost the match. But this never happens in our own team. If we miss a basket because of someone's mistake, we do not get angry. So, she is saying that in our team, there is a unity. If in our team, anyone do like this, then what we do? We would adjust it. Okay, if they get angry, they would not get angry at all. We say never mind, next time we will do better. It is the most important to support each other because we are all part of the team. So they are saying that supportivity should be there in the team. Then next, Afrina. After playing in Solapur, we realized what's special about our team. Cooperation between us is strength. So, when they went to Solapur, they realized they thought that is between the strength is between our chance to go so many places. We have played for our city and our state. We hope to work hard and play for our country someday. So here Afsana, she is saying that she went to play the other places also. They went to play the other places also in the city, in the states and all. So they are saying that we may play for our country's sake also one day. We may play for the country's sake also. Yes, then we will also be popular like the cricketers. So they are saying that we too will become popular like the cricketers. Yes, then we will also be popular like the cricketers. We also want to play well. We should bring glory to our area and our country. We want to show that the Indian girls team can be gold medal. We will make this happen. So she is saying that is Afsana, she is saying that we want to show that we are the Indian girls, girls team, that they can they can win, that is they can win the gold medal, that it will happen. She is saying that it will happen. Then come to page number 161. We asked, did you face some problems? Here, 7th point. Did you face some difficulties? Here, Kushno, to tell the truth, we have not got all this very easily. As girls, even to be able to start playing was difficulty. So here Kushno, she is saying that it is not such easy to play the game, to play the team. Sometimes we even had to fight. Even today, not many girls can play this like this. So she is saying that we have fought much in this game, but it is not such easy. Okay. For what games earlier, some people did not even allow girls to study. My mother wanted to do many things, but she never got the chance. So even my mother also, she tried, but she did not get the chance. Who is saying this? Kushno. So many mother courageous need to take part in all activities like games, swimming and drama. So Kushno's mother, she was saying her to take part in games, swimming and even in the drama. Then next is Afsana. Even now we are supposed to go home as soon as we finishing playing. So what they'll do, even they are supposed to go after the team playing. After playing, they want to go to the home soon as we finish. Means after finishing that, they want to go to home. The boys go here and there and can chit chat till late. So we'll go at home at the correct time, but the boys what they'll do? They'll chit chat. No one says anything. After coming from school, I help my mother with the cleaning work in 2 or 3 houses. So here Afsana, she is saying that after coming from school, even after coming from there, even I help my mother also in 2-3 houses to work, do my studies and then come here to play. So she'll study also, she'll help her mother also and she'll go to play also. I also help at home if my brother wants tea and he makes it for himself. So even she'll help in the home also. Then her brother, that is Afsana's brother, then he wanted tea. Then he make tea for himself and drink. And then mother says, he has 3 sisters, yet he has to work. See, her mother says it since that is Afsana's mother. If he is having 3 sisters also, but he has to work. Her mother is saying, it's very good. One girl next, another one girl. Just look at Zerin's younger brother. He is only 5 years old, but he says, Mommy, why do you send Didi to play? How silly. So here, that is one girl is saying that is Zerin's younger brother. Zerin's younger brother is saying that only he is 5 years old. He is saying that, why do you send Didi to play? am a boy, of course I will play. See here, he is saying that if she asks, he will say that yes, I am a boy, of course I will play. Here is the injustice. Then Afsana, but it is good for everyone to play. We have now realized how much we benefit from playing. So Afsana is saying that it is good to play. Okay, but what all the benefits are there? Then we realize that I want to be such a good player that other girls and boys would wish to be like me. So I want to be a good player. Who says that? That is Afsana. She says that even the other girls also, they like to be like her. Then come to page number 163. Okay, that is, did you face some difficulties over? That is, next is coach sir. Okay, then coach sir. The coach who made this team, Noor Khan, told us. So that coach sir's name is what? Noor Khan. He made the team. He made the team. This part of Mumbai is very crowded. This is the only playground in this area. He is saying that. She is saying that. So this part of the Mumbai is very crowded. Mumbai is very crowded. So this is the only playground in this area. Okay. This is our small Bachchu Khan's playground. So they are saying that this is a very small Bachchu Khan's playground. A person named Mustafa Khan used to live in our area. So the person there in that area who was living, that is Mustafa Khan, was living in that area. Everyone was afraid of him. So everyone would get afraid of him. But children were very fond of him. So everyone started calling him Bachchu Khan. Bachchu Khan. There was no crowd, but children were very fond of him. So everyone started calling him Bachchu Khan. There was no ground then. It was just muddy land. So the children were afraid. But how the land was? It was just like muddy. Bachchu Khan used to train children to play. We were among those children. So Bachchu Khan, what he would do? He would train the children. Because it was Bachchu Khan's devotion and training the players from this area are able to compete with the teams of other countries. So this Bachchu Khan would be trained and they would complete the training, even the other children also. Like Bachchu Khan had trained the children of this area. Today our team has some who play at the international level. Some have even won the Arjuna Award. He is saying that I made a teams to play and I gave the trained. So from here only many children they got the awards, like that is Arjuna Award. Noor Khan continued in the last few years have also prepared a girls team here. So he is saying that Noor Khan told, he is saying that what you know, even the girls team also we prepared here. Our girls played for the Maharashtra state team. So here the girls they played for the Maharashtra team. That is, I said no, Sholapur. They practiced well with good discipline. Our girls and boys came from different types of families. So these girls what they did, even they gave the good training also. They played nice also. They gave the discipline for the girls also. And they were from different types of families. Some are from poor homes, some from richer, some study in Urdu medium and some in English. But once they come here, they all make a team. So if they are from different mediums also, if they are from Urdu also, English also, whether it is Kannada, whether it is Urdu medium also, but when they come here in the ground, they make a team. Okay. Then can you see here children? This is a Bachchu Khan's in Mumbai. Okay. Then the lesson is over children. Then if you have any doubts, we'll discuss in the online class. Okay children.